Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Suburban. This Suburban is featured in a white paint finish and is the RST trim. Under the hood we have our 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to our 10-speed automatic transmission and our 4-wheel drive. Inside we have seating for 7 on jet black leather seating surfaces with heated front as well as second row captain's chairs. We also have our forward collision alert, lane keep assist, our Google Assistant infotainment system with Google Map integration. We have a heated steering wheel. Outside of the vehicle, we have black assist steps, our powered liftgate, as well as alloy wheels. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors with fold, as well as our power windows, driver seat memory at the bottom with 2 memory settings, storage throughout the door, and our Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic parking brake, lane keep assist, our parking sensors, auto stop start, our way to turn on our 120 volt plugs, traction control, as well as our 360 view camera. Below we have our transfer case settings for our 4-wheel drive, as well as our drive mode, lighting controls to the right of that, power tilt telescopic steering column with our audio controls on the back. Then we have our power driver seat finished in our jet black leather with victory red stitching. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster. You can see on it that we can adjust all of our display information. Also have our audio as well as maps and our phone integration through our screen. Down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, the outside is our cruise. Then we have our forward collision alert, as well as heated steering wheel. As mentioned before, audio controls on the back. Right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free controls for our display cluster information system, as well as more audio controls on the back. You can see we have the same victory or jet black with our victory red stitching for our steering wheel, also leather finished. Push to start ignition just behind the steering wheel. Precision shifter down the side. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. If we go into audio, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, as well as our Google News, podcasts, and USB. Home button in the bottom left. Second button is our maps. So if we hit our maps, we have our Google Map integration. Then we have our phone connection, as well as trailer lights. Cameras, we have our full surround view camera, and we also have our 360 button just to the left of the steering wheel, which also opens up our camera. Then Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Android Auto, and Apple Carplay, trailer lights, climate, settings, and Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as My Chevrolet on the second page. Below it, we have our 2 vents, as well as our volume control, home, back, seek, and menu controls if we don't want to be using our touchscreen. A little bit of storage up on the passenger side, so we have our hazard lights and then storage above. Below that, we have our front dual zone climate control, have auto as well as sync, front and rear defrost, as well as our air conditioning. Then we have a heated driver seat and heated passenger seat, USB-C, USB, and a 12-volt plug at the bottom, and that's right above our wireless charging pad. Then we have our 2 cup holders with some storage, jet black and victory red finished leather console. In the top of the console, we have a storage space where we can see our key fob. We have our locks and unlocks, remote start, powered liftgate, alarm system, as well as our powered glass. Opening into the center console, we have some 2-tiered storage, shallow as well as deep, and we can remove our shallow storage, USB-C and USB at the front. Moving to the passenger seat, it is also our jet black and victory red leather, heated and powered for the passenger. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons at the front, controls for our dome lights, our folding second row seats, our powered liftgate, our lighting controls for the whole vehicle, and a universal garage door opener. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have paint match mirror caps, as well as our paint match door handles and a black assist step across the bottom of the vehicle. All the way around at the back, we have our black bow tie, as well as black Suburban badging. Trailer tow hitch hidden in the bottom, as well as our RST trim. Have a powered liftgate that we can activate through the press of a button on the bottom. Inside the vehicle itself, we have a 60/40 power folding rear bench seat. You can see underneath, we have some storage in various locations. All of our power fold settings on the passenger side. You can see we can fold our front or our rear, as well as our second row seating. All the buttons down the side, as mentioned before. 120 volt plug. Can also fold our third row bench seat up. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have our power release on the left hand side, or our manual on the right hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, our power window control, as well as storage and our Bose speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage pocket in the back of the driver's seat, as well as in the back of the passenger seat, cup holders in the back of our center console. Below it, we have our tri-zone climate control, heated outboard seats, as well as 2 USB Cs for charging, 120 volt plug in the bottom of the console. Moving to our second row seats, we have 2 captain chairs finished in our jet black leather. Can fold them as well as slide them over in the back, as we can see in the passenger side. Moving to our third row, we have a 60/40 power folding bench, also in our jet black leather. On either side, we have our storage as well as a USB-C and a way to fold the second row seats. On the ceiling, we have our dome lights as well as our vents. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Suburban. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.